Whether you're replacing old shutters or adding new ones, you and a friend can get it done in one afternoon with the right tools and DIY skills. Here's what you'll need. Keep in mind most shutters are sold in pairs and include hanging hardware. First, position the shutter. Ideally, the top should be flush with the top edge of the window trim. And the bottom of the shutter should hang just above the lowest and widest part of the window rail. If you're installing vinyl shutters like these, leave a 1/4 inch gap between the window trim and the shutter for future expansion and contraction. Then, after ensuring the shutter is plumb, mark the outside corners with a pencil. Next, lay the shutter flat on a work surface suitable for drilling and mark the 4 mounting hole locations, 1 in each corner. Each hole should be centered and 2 inches from the edge. Use a multi-purpose 1/4 inch bit to pre-drill the holes. Keep in mind if your shutters are large, you may require additional mounting holes. Now reposition the shutter on the wall and using the mounting holes as your guide, drill pilot holes using the appropriate sized bit. You'll want to bore into the wall surface to a depth of 3 1/4 inch. Next, gently tap the vinyl shutter locks into place so that the shutter is snugged up to the wall. It's easy to see how attractive shutters like these can instantly boost your home's curb appeal. Good luck and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.